For this video, we will be doing a grounding exercise similar to other exercises we've done, but this one is going to use the visualization of waves and the ocean to help with that. So let's get started. So take a comfortable seat. You can also do this standing if you're more comfortable. If you're seated, put your feet flat on the floor, hands in your lap, and sitting up tall so that you can breathe easily. And take a moment to check in with your breath. So notice when you're breathing in, belly should be expanding or going out. And then breathing out, belly should be contracting or falling, going in towards the spine. So take a moment to just notice your breath and how it feels right now, without trying to change it, just noticing what that feels like. Inhaling, belly rise, and exhaling, belly fall. And now I'll invite you to bring the image of a beautiful, peaceful ocean to mind, and notice the waves coming in. So imagine yourself standing on a beach, looking at this ocean, and what do you notice about it? What's the weather like? What does the sky look like? What do the waves look like? What do they sound like? Can you smell the salty air or feel the sand on your feet? Just noticing with all your senses how this ocean looks and feels and smells and sounds. And now imagine that when you're breathing in time with the wave. So I'll explain what that means. So as you see a wave coming up towards the shore, take a breath in. And then at the top of your breath, you don't have to hold it, but you're just kind of visualizing. The top of your breath is the crest of the wave hitting down, crashing into the beach. And then as you exhale, imagine that that's going along with the wave as it's flowing back out to sea. And then at the bottom of the breath, before you inhale again, that's kind of a pause, a moment of calm before the next wave comes. So start trying this for yourself. As you breathe in, feeling the wave, intensifying, coming up towards the beach, and then crashing, and then exhaling, flowing back out. And then a pause, and then the wave comes again. So notice the rhythm of the waves, and see if you can bring that into your body with your own breathing. The consistent ebbing and flowing of the water, and reaching kind of the high point of the wave, and then flowing back out to sea. And then notice how the waves can change depending on the weather or the current or the moon. Sometimes they get choppy and closer together, and other times it's very calm and you have to look very closely to see the waves. But regardless of what the waves look like, they're always constant and in rhythm. Even if they're choppy, there's still a rhythm to them. So see if you can feel that in your body, of still having a rhythm to your breath, even if things feel a little choppy. And continue breathing, and now bring your mind's eye below the waves. And see what you notice as you go deeper down into the ocean. So we see the waves on top of the ocean, but if we go under them, there's still a current. But if we go deeper, it gets calmer and stiller. So there's this peaceful stillness underneath whatever's going on the surface. And then if you'd like, you can try imagining what it would feel like to embody that yourself. Do you have a place of stillness and calm that remains untouched? Or is there a way that you can try to cultivate that and strengthen that? As you continue breathing on the surface, watching the waves come and go, notice if there's a feeling of inner calmness or peace. So now you can release the image of the ocean and the waves and just bring your attention back to whatever room you're in and back to your body kind of as a whole, sitting or standing here. And notice your breath just as it is and how it feels to be breathing in your body right now. And notice if you feel anything different, if anything's changed from at the beginning of the exercise. If not, that's okay. There's no expectation of that. You're just giving the opportunity to notice, what does it feel like now to be breathing? And now. And now. And if you have had your eyes closed, as I've had my eyes closed, you can open them. And try practicing this on your own and see if you can kind of call that image up of the ocean and the waves, maybe during a time of stress or just when you're feeling kind of neutral, to see if you can check in with both the rhythmic motion of the waves as well as the deeper stillness that might be inside you. Thanks for trying this with me today. Take care.